This video is made for general audiences, meaning that anyone can enjoy it. Thank you. Hello everyone! Today we will be taking a look at my custom All Engines Go push-along Kana based off of the episode Kana Goes Slow. Now this custom was pretty easy to make. Basically, all I did was I just removed a section of the front of the engine to make room for a front coupling. After that, I placed the coupling in the area, and that was pretty much it. I gave Kana a different facial expression that represents what is seen in the show. I also added a battery detail on the side of the engine. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think of this custom? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.